For our first project, our team was sent to Sasabe, Arizona to work at the Buenos National Wildlife Refuge. The refuge is a 118,000-acre protected area of Sonoran grassland that was established to protect the habitat of the endangered masked bobwhite quail. Our team was tasked with helping the refuge restore the population of the masked bobwhite. We learned how to construct brush piles from dead and burned mesquite trees. We also used the half-cutting technique on the refuge's mesquite trees to give the quail a place to seek shelter from sky and ground predators and the hot Arizona sun. In total, we constructed 206 quail habitats that will ensure that once the quail are reintroduced to the refuge, their population will be able to sustain itself.
Masked bobwhite is important to protect, one, because it is an endangered species, there's a very limited amount of them, and they deserve to have their place on their native landscape. And another is because they provide a niche in this environment. They have a specific job to do, and to not let them fulfill that duty or to let them go extinct creates an absence that can cause problems for all other species.
Our team received a week-long chainsaw training both in the classroom and on the field. We learned chainsaw practices, felling techniques, and safety guidelines. We cut down 83 invasive mesquite trees and used the brush piles to construct more quail houses. We also helped with smaller jobs around the refuge. We cleaned a 1.5-mile stretch of road leading up to a popular hiking trail at Brown Canyon, made 1,661 native seed balls, and planted native seeds in bobwhite quail pens.
Our bar project is a pretty cool partnership that's happening between Altar Valley Conservation Alliance and U.S. Fish and Wildlife through Buenos National Wildlife Refuge. And the main goal of our project is to be providing proper habitat for masked bobwhite quail. We are going to do this by going into areas that have experienced previous wildfire damage, and we will be revegetating them with native plants. Now, the native plants chosen are plants specific to providing food and shelter for the masked bobwhite quail. And we are really excited to see just how successful we are with revegetating these areas, and in time, hopefully bringing the quail back to this portion of the refuge. We have upwards to 6,000 plants and a very small team, so NCCC has been very helpful in getting down here and really helping us get all these plants into the ground and prep our sites and just lending a hand in the manpower that we need to be successful in this project.
So having an NCCC crew here with us at the Buenos National Wildlife Refuge has been a huge privilege. We are very grateful for the help that they have given us, and it's been substantial. We would not be able to achieve the goals that we have set for ourselves without the help of crews like NCCC. With having such a large, eager group to come out here, we've been able to cover way more ground than we expected initially, and the work that they've helped us with really alleviates our time that we can use to refocus on some of our other work that we need to get done here. And also the work that they've done here will last for years and really make good progress towards our recovery of the masked bobwhite for years to come.